Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments for the credit builder card on Cleo. Now, do you want to make sure that you never have to miss a payment? Setting up automatic payments ensures your Cleo credit builder card works for your credit, not against it. Here's how to do it. First step is to go to the credit builder card section in the app. Then navigate to the card dashboard from the home page, or you can get that on Cleo's chatbot. Step 2, tap on Manage Payments. Now, under your card balance and payment history, you're going to see options to manage your payment settings. Step 3, enable autopay. Now, just turn on autopay to allow Cleo to automatically withdraw from your linked account or security deposits to cover purchases made with your card. Step 4, choose your payment source. Now you're going to select your preferred payment method, your secured funds wallet, or a linked external account. Step 5, confirm and save settings. Now just double check your choice and save your preference. Cleo will confirm that autopay is active and show the next payment dates. Autopay helps protect your credit and gives you peace of mind. Once it's on, you can spend without worrying about missing any payments. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.